it's the hummus hoi tola.
Okay, so that was all at the clinic.
Inside, and I'll show you the details of what we have received. Hello everybody and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is the 16th of August and it's a Friday. The time is around 12 p.m. Me and Aryan, we are heading to the Neuvola, or it's called Child Care Center here in Finland. Today he has an appointment for his tooth, or the dental care appointment. It's his first dental appointment. So this is the place where I have to take Aryan. I'm not sure if I can vlog inside, but I will try my best. And Aryan has fallen asleep. So here it's the hummus hoi tola, which is on the second floor. I have to go to the second floor. So these are all the dental rooms. Aryan's room is 25, this one. And I'm not sure if I can vlog inside, but I will try to capture a few clips if possible. And it was really easy. Just at the counter, you take the number and just wait for your turn and then show your ID card. And that's all. They check your appointment and then they give you the room number. Okay, so that was all at the clinic. And we are just heading back home now. I'm standing at the bus stop waiting for the bus. Unfortunately, I wasn't allowed to film anything inside. As usual, it is how it is everywhere. And everything went fine. Everything was good. We just got upgraded to a new brush, from the baby brush to the infant brush. I'll show you once I go back home. And we also got upgraded to a toothpaste. Yes. And then some eating habits, because I don't give him anything sugary or anything sweet. Okay, so these are the things which Aryan got from the dentist today. Stop the bus. So I'm done shopping.